how hard starting a business is. The early days of Pasxcel is constant anxiety. It's like a roller coaster, you know. You feel like, oh, I figured this part out. And then like, no, it's just doom again. I think one thing that most people don't share on social media or even talk to their friends about is how hard starting a business is, because there's nobody who can prepare you like, oh, this is what you do when you start a business and good job. You tick all this list, you'll have a successful business. It simply doesn't exist. I remember like in the beginning, we had an unvalidated idea, right? The idea that you can actually homeschool your child online. Yeah, you can literally see your money is just getting depleted, and somehow you have to sustain yourself, not just in terms of food and shelter. It's also you have to sustain yourself emotionally and mentally, that the idea that you have is going to work. And I clearly remember one of the interviews I had. I'm interviewing and I'm having this really serious face, asking them questions about why they want to join the company and all. And my son just crawls and he bites my toes. It's a very, very challenging period, because I think when Pasxcel started to begin to scale up or begin to become successful, that's when the pandemic hit. That means we had no help in terms of taking care of baby. There are many classes that you would see that I'm teaching with my earphones on. And in the video, you can see my son's head just here, just like drooling while the class is going on, right? Because we had no help in terms of managing both the things. But somehow we managed to pull through. Those are the things that I wish people told you about what it means when you're starting a business. And none of that actually gets covered on social media.